Alrighty then, guys. It's time for a monster problem. Oh, let's turn the laptop around so we can hear people better. There you go. It's turned around, facing the class. All right for us. Not facing Cassidy, but Cassidy's right next to her. Doesn't have to face her. Long ago, this problem kicked your booty. But now you're smarter. Let's get him. It's 2 parts. And I think you'll do quite well. Because we've actually learned about this recently. Aiden looked at the measures of the angles on the traffic sign below and correctly classified the signs. What does that mean? I don't know. What do they want? Look at part A. Which traffic sign did Aiden place in the group that has acute and obtuse angles? So we're looking for a traffic sign that has both acute and obtuse. Here are our options. If we look at them carefully, maybe we'll discover which one has acute and obtuse. Let's go down the list together. Raise your hand if you want to tell me either yes or no. So how about we've got the yield sign. Does that have acute and obtuse angles? Raise your hand, please. Ian?
Yes.
Okay. Where are the acute angles? There's one. There's one, and there's one. Where are the obtuse angles? There are none. All those angles are narrow. They're all like that, or like that. They're not wide open angles. So you wouldn't say yes for that one. How about B, the stop sign? Does that have acute and obtuse angles? Chloe?
I think yes.
It does. Where's an acute angle? You show me.
Actually, no. No, because there's only obtuse angles.
Look at all the size of all the angles.
Oh, yes, yes. It
Look
is
how
yes.
wide those are.
No.
You're not even, when you guys say yes, it's like you're not even using your eyeballs to look.
No.
How about C? The National Forest sign. Does that have acute and obtuse angles? Andres?
Yes.
It does. Where are the acute angles?
On top.
They are on top. Ah, someone's looking using their eyeball. Where are the obtuse angles?
At the bottom.
Yes, they are, sir. There you go. We can stop right there because it doesn't say mark all that apply. We're just picking the right one. But we could look at be prepared if we want to. Yeah. What's special about be prepared sign? It doesn't have any acute or any obtuse angles. What does it have instead? Kaylin? It has all right angles, you're right. But it didn't ask about right angles, did it?
It has speed limit and extreme.
Well, I'm glad you noticed that, because look at part B. Check it out. Part B. How many signs did Aiden place in a group that appears to have only right angles? Be careful. They're not asking you for which sign has only right angles. They're asking you for a number. How many only have right angles? Can you find them all? Who hasn't talked yet would like a chance to be on this video? Arthur, as loud as you can since you're sitting over there.
4?
Arthur says 4. Arthur says there are 4 that have all right angles. Arthur, I'm going to make you prove it. Name the ones that have all right angles. You said 4. You should be able to name 4. Which signs?
I can't really see them from here.
Come on up. Can you see better now? Which ones are all right angles?
Route 2.
Correct.
Route 2. Be prepared to stop.
Ooh, good one.
Speed limit 50.
Yes, sir.
Oak Street.
Yes. Good job, Arthur. Take a seat. I'm really proud of Arthur because I think the average kid who made a mistake on this might pick 3. And they might pick 3 because they got 1, 2, 3 obvious ones. And this one's a little tilted. But even though it's tilted, those are right angles, man. Those are perfect little L's in there. So yes, 4 is correct. I'm a little nervous on the first one. We thought that there were obtuse in the yield sign. And we thought that they were acute in the stop sign. You have to be very careful. Look at the corners of every shape. Pretend the two lines that make the corners like your fingers. If it looks like it's going to be uncomfortable to you, like, oh, if my fingers were like that, they'd be kind of what? That's obtuse. If it looks like you'd be like going like this, like, oh, little A, that's acute. If it looks like a perfect L, that's right angle. It's not that hard if you know what you're looking for. All right, guys, for the most part, that was very good. Everybody say bye, class.
Bye. Bye.
All right,
Bye.
yeah,
Bye.
goodbye.
Bye.